I was just there, and life came to me like a flood. I didn't grow, I was pushed. I didn't mature, I was made to survive. I hate that. I hate that I had to trade innocence for instinct. That I had to act older because life didn't wait for me to be young. That I became dependable before I even depended on myself. I didn't learn to walk, I learned to run. From grief, from lack, from reality. I hate that I had to grow like a weed through concrete, cracked but still reaching. But I do not hate who I became. I carried womanhood in the pocket of my school uniform. Learned silence in room that only echoed sounds of survival. I've watched my mother become both sun and shelter, and my father exists only in memory and in the mirror of the woman I'm becoming. So if this was all a dream, if the hunger, the hustle, the heartbreaks and hashes were stitched in sleep, still, alhamdulillah, because